Hey guys, so I'm out here. I was putting the plants away because the pots, because it's gonna freeze again, and you can see this guy's not working. He is off. He won't turn on. I don't know what's wrong with him, so we're gonna have to return him. This guy is getting pushed around by the wind too much. It's been really, it started to get real windy right now, so I came to turn him off, but that one is already turned off. You can see this guy thrashing in the wind a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I guess, is I'm gonna return this one to Amazon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to repurchase him because it said it was unavailable. But yeah, this guy's down for the count. Oh my god, wait. I think it turned on, guys. It was off and it turned on. I swear I didn't do anything. It just started working and I grabbed the camera to film. There he is. That's crazy. Do you think he heard me saying that I was going to return him, so he turned back on? How bizarre. There's got to be some kind of loose wire or something in there. So I guess we're back to this guy working now. It started working.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it just turned on.
I'll wait to return it.
Yeah, it's probably got a loose wire. You can see these guys blowing around too much in the wind. So I'm going to turn them off before the freeze totals them. Whoa. Okay, so let me do that. Oh, the button doesn't work either. Okay. Alright, guys. So, we're turning off these guys because of the wind. Oh my god, it's so cold out here. My nose is running. Whoa! We missed a big gust. Too many beers. Alright guys, so it looks like they're down for now, so we'll leave them off until the wind stops. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick video. And you guys are good luck because you made the inflatable turn on. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.